Hey all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how you can go about separating first and last name and having them be in two separate columns. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is a list of names I got from the internet. So what we're going to do is we're going to select column A, we're going to go to our data ribbon, and from our data ribbon you're going to see text to column. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to hit next, and then what you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure space is selected. Once you've done that, all you have to do is hit finish, and there we go. So now we can name this column first name, last name, and then you could either hit Command T on your keyboard for the Mac or Control T on Windows, or you can always go to Insert and hit Table. So, but I'm going to do the keyboard shortcut, and my table has headers. Click OK. And there we go. So we've gone ahead and separated the first and last name in Excel. So if you enjoyed this tech tip, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel and interested in further tips and tricks in Excel, feel free to subscribe. It's totally free. And click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.